Alright, it's late at our house.
Miles and Tails Muffin Adventure.
Wait.
Some muffins there. Big, juicy, thick muffins. Filled with things that are bad for you. Muffins. Muffins. Oh, look at those muffins. Oh my god, they look so bad for you.
You're getting a full one?
We're gonna split it.
No. Let's get, I wanna no, let's split one.
Yeah, Tail. You're retarded or something.
Alright. Here, hold the camera.
3 o'clock in the morning.
No, oh, yeah.
Miles?
Yeah?
Okay, it's almost midnight,
Yeah?
so you guys have to come downstairs.
Okay. We're going downstairs now. Bloop bloop. Downstairs we go. Blah 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 blah. This is Miles signing off. Peace out.